All right, now we're going to look at the continuous servo. This one looks very similar to the standard. I have added a different attachment onto the top. This one needs a lot more power than the standard servo. So what you can see is the way I have it attached, it is the exact same way as the other one, except for this time, instead of going to the 3V, I have attached 2 wires to the ground, and I have connected the red and the yellow to this battery pack. So I have 4 batteries powering this one little servo. The other battery pack is just providing power to the Microbit. So I have a lot of energy going through these wires to make this work. All right, so we have our continuous servo. So I'm going to demonstrate now the code that you're going to be looking at in just a few minutes. So I have it set to go one direction on the A button, the other direction on the B button, and then when you press them both at the same time, the A and the B, then it will stop. So here is A. Here is B, and then stop. Okay, one more time. A, watch the direction change. B, and then, oops, stop. Kind of hard to do it one-handed. All right. So that is the continuous servo.